Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. My name is Theo Tovek and this is my video premiere. Behind me is my 2017 BMW M3. So this channel is about this car content, my life as I go to car meets, DIY and other things car related. This car is fantastic, but I have not done an actual driving impression of for myself. So I'm gonna take you on a tour today when I drive the car, see you exactly the mode and explain how I feel as I'm experiencing it. So stay tuned. I just started the car, like I mentioned. It is an efficient sport, so I'm going to manually change it to efficient comfort, and let's take a ride. So this is supposed to be very comfortable. The F80 BMW M3 is indeed very comfortable. When you drive it in comfort mode, it's just like any regular car. A bit quiet. You felt a little bit of the bumps because again it's a sports car, but it's not very harsh. Right now I'm just cruising and the pillars are holding you very well. I cannot complain about these. Even in efficient mode you still have a little bit of power, so you can pretty much punch it, but you are not going to get the same response as if you are in sport or sport plus mode. Sport plus is aggressive, sport plus is savage. You have a good visibility here, and again you do not feel bumps as much. The steering wheel is very light. If you've driven a BMW luxury line like the 5 Series or the 7 Series, the steering wheel is a bit harder than those. It's not the softest, but it is also not too hard. While we are here on this red light, let me put it on M1. So I have my M1 configured as engine sport, suspension sport, steering wheel sport, and the transmission in automatic, but on the third configuration of automatic, meaning very fast. But that's not the fastest, that's about the halfway there. Now you can hear a more pronounced exhaust. Oh yeah, you definitely know the beast is waking up. Now in sport mode the transmission will take a little longer to shift gears because again you are in sport mode, so it is not supposed to be very smooth. It's a little harsh also. You feel it, you definitely feel it whenever you are pressing the gas, so you know that the power is there, but it's not all of the power, some powers. The suspension is a bit harder. Yep, you feel it, but it's not annoying feel it, so you just feel it a bit and you can definitely get it. The seats will kind of take absorb most of the shock, so you are in good standing here. Now if you punch it a little bit. Oh Lord have mercy. Yep, you know this is happening. That's sport mode for you. I cannot tell you how much I was going already. Man, a sedan that can give you this type of smile, you definitely have to have it, man. Again, even cruising and sport mode, it's comfy. When you have a nice smooth surface, it is very comfortable. The steering wheel is a little harsh. Nice Corvette. The exhaust, you can hear it a bit more compared to efficient mode. So now let's put it in Sport Plus. Head-up display here is changing. The steering wheel is, oh Lord, definitely hard. You have to put some effort when you are changing the gears. Now my Sport Plus is Sport Plus, Sport Plus, Sport Plus, and manual shifting. So the transmission is on the quickest settings, which is Sport 3, and heads-up display is Sport Plus mode. And it goes. It definitely goes. Brakes are right on point. Oh my goodness. And the exhaust is louder, very louder. You can hear it. And all the windows are up right now. But the smile, oh my goodness, when you punch it. Let me drop the third gear. And I'm done. Oh Lord. Ah, yes, this is some power. Oh my goodness. You can also hear some exhaust bangs and pops. The pop 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 when you downshift, you can hear those. Yep, I heard it on the back. Another one. Yep, again. It's not too loud, so I'm not sure if the camera is even going to pick it, but it's definitely there. Oh my God, that's brutal. Oh Lord. Oh Lord. That's the brake. Oh, my face is leaving my body. Oh my goodness. My heart is beating so fast right now. Ooh, I thought I was losing it today. Man, I was not ready for this. Oh my God. horsepower. Okay, this is crazy. It's aggressive. It's trying to kill you, and I love it. Man, this is go back to M1 or something. So my cell phone went off my pocket. That's how brutal this thing is. I have to take it.